Hi grade 12s, and welcome to another video, another accounting lesson. So today we're going to be looking into internal controls and close corporations, but we will start with internal controls. So first we should just go through the definitions and just a summary and processes that we need to know before we start to tackle the nitty-gritties of the situation. So if you look at my board here, I'm going to just give you like the definition of internal control. So internal control is a process affected by the entity's board of directors, management, and others designed to provide reasonable assurance, right? So basically the process is designed so that the entity can use it to control specific behaviors of the people around them, or not even just the people around them, but also processes put in place to ensure the proper operation of the business, right? So internal audit concepts, right? So now when we look into internal audit concepts, it's now when we're saying, fine, there's obviously always, not always, but in some businesses there are internal auditors, and these people audit the business's operation as and when the business operates. So internal audit concepts are confidentiality, which basically speaks into or looks into knowing the staff knowing to keep the business's information private and not talk to other people about the, how do I say it, being confidential, as in not disclosing information that is unnecessary outside of the business borders, right? So confidentiality is one of those concepts. Then integrity, which is basically being honest and true to yourself. And so this internal audit concept is to say that internal auditors as well as regular staff should be true to themselves. They should be honest. There should be no lies, especially in the situation where someone sees something that they shouldn't see, like someone breaking any rules, or in the sense that someone should also not be breaking rules. So it's there to regulate someone's thoughts and someone's actions in the business so that they don't have to have any fraudulent action or any disciplinary requiring action, right? Then objectivity. The auditor should have the company's and only this company's best interests at heart and have focus on only being effective in that particular business in terms of auditing those financial statements and not looking into other things that are not related to the business. So being objective in terms of what the auditor is focusing on, what they're delivering, and how they're doing their work, right? Independence. So the auditor has to be separate and independent in the sense that they cannot be influenced by any external forces. So when they do their work needs to be thorough and independent and uninfluenced, so and unbiased. So that is where the independence comes in. And competence, as in the auditor should be able to audit efficiently and should be able to do their work as they should at the standard at which it is required. And that is basically the internal audit portion of it. So then we go into gathering audit evidence. Like I said before, when we talk about auditing internal controls and internal audit concepts, we have to consider the fact that there's always ways in which things are done in order for the business to be able to run efficiently and for the business to be able to monitor whether the internal controls or the audit concepts that they've put into place or regulations they have set with the business, with their auditors and their staff, are working efficiently. And then we will get into that. So those have 4 steps, and I'll talk about those in the next videos. Other than that, I feel like this internal control topic it's going to be 2 videos because it's quite short and it's quite straight to the point, no calculations involved. It is just mainly focusing on on the theory and on knowing how businesses should run and knowing how to regulate the auditor while the auditor regulates your employees. So I hope that this helps you. There will be questions. I believe that this will be one of those multiple choice questions or those mix and match the column questions. So that will be very cool because most of the information is already there, or the fill in the sentences information. So it's important to know definitions, and it's important to know a listing of, let's say for the concepts, audit concepts, you need to be able to say, if these are the audit concepts, this is the definition of each concept. And if you're given a case study, you need to be able to identify those concepts within each case study. So I feel like that's all you need to be equipped. Other than that, thank you for watching this video. I hope that you do well in your exam and that the test goes well. Yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.